Enter into a world of luxury living in a premier Jamaica Plain destination overlooking Harvard's Arboretum. Well appointed with all of today's modern conveniences, this residence was a complete gut renovation with a large addition off the back to include a 2-car direct access garage. As you enter, immerse yourself in the warmth of this home with a mix of spaces from small intimate nights by the fire to larger family gatherings. The open-concept kitchen is well-equipped for a top chef. Bask in the glow of the marble-top pattern island. You'll want to entertain your guests whether you're serving a full meal or just a mixology of drinks. This home is well appointed and you'll love the designer finishes. Sweet dreams from the second-level sleeping quarters. The rooms are spacious and feature multiple spa-like baths to revitalize, recharge, rejuvenate, and easily erase the stress of the day. Slumber in your master suite and be well organized for the days ahead when dressing from your master closet. Enjoy spectacular vistas from one of Boston's jewels, the Arnold Arboretum. Watch the changing landscapes from season to season. The beloved horticultural center is a treasured link in the famed emerald necklace. Views become even more stunning from your top floor family retreat. This home has all you'll ever need. Your new life awaits you. Contact the Ellen, Janis, and Josh team today for your private tour.